Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very simple recipe of pineapple peels skin tea. There I have my warm water. This I'll be boiling using that sufuria. Then here are my pineapples, but I'm going to use just one, and turmeric and ginger. And then later on, I'm going to be adding lemon when I'll be serving this tea. So don't go anywhere. I'm going to wash this. I'm going to wash my pineapple using warm water and salt. I'm going to soak the pineapple for at least 10 minutes in warm and salty water. And this is for efficient cleaning, because as much as we want the nutrients, we must also check the hygiene. So pineapple skin tea is very nutritious. It helps in enhancing digestion. It destroys intestinal worm. It helps to improve your skin. It relieves cough. It may improve female fertility and many more other benefits. I'm also going to add in the cores of the pineapples, because mostly you find this part of the pineapple is hard to eat or even to make juice. So it is very important to use this because it is loaded with antioxidants. It is important to use it when making the skin peel tea. going to add some ginger as well as some turmeric to my pineapple skin and my pineapple cores, and I'll add water and then let it boil. So when it starts to boil, you're going to reduce the heat a little bit, and then you're going to let it boil for at least 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, you switch off the gas, and then you let it cool. When everything is ready, it will be so evident. Even the smell that is around this kitchen right now is very, very amazing. So I'm going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to add a handful of mint. I'm going to add a handful of mint for flavor, and then I cover this up for it to cool down. Yeah, that is meant for flavor, and also mint has its own benefits. It helps in to improve the brain function and also to improve the digestion. So after allowing it to cool down, I'll come back and sieve this. Yeah, you can see how nice this is. I'm going to save and serve. This drink is best served when it's hot. So you, even when you allow it to cool, you don't allow it to cool like for so many minutes. You just allow it to cool a little bit and serve it when it is hot. I'm going to add a lemon, a half lemon. You can add full if you want, but I prefer half. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing and liking my content. Until next time, bye.